Ever wondered how search engines find exactly what you're looking for in milliseconds? Let's dive into the fascinating world of search engines. Search engines are like the ultimate librarians, curating and organizing the vast library of the internet. It all starts with crawling, where web crawlers, also known as spiders, scour the internet to discover new content. Crawling is the foundation of a search engine's index, fetching existing content and discovering new pages. Imagine a librarian researching resources for their library. That's what crawling does for search engines. But crawling is expensive, so search engines use algorithms to decide which sites to crawl and how often. Webmasters can optimize crawling by creating a robots.txt file to guide crawlers to the right content. An XML sitemap acts like a city map, giving spiders a complete list of your website content. Internal links are the roadways of your site, helping crawlers navigate and discover new content. Canonical tags are like road signs, telling spiders where a URL and its content live. Regularly publishing new content signals to search engines that your site is active and worth crawling. If crawling errors occur, auditing your robots, TXT file and fixing HTTP network errors can help. Next comes indexing, where search engines process and store the crawled content in their index. Indexing is like a librarian organizing their library, ensuring only quality content makes it to the shelves. Search engines analyze content for canonical URLs, title tags, images, and more to determine its eligibility. High-quality content, meta tags, and header tags can optimize your site for better indexing. Including multimedia like images and videos helps search engines understand your topic better. A user-friendly website with responsive design and accessibility features also boosts indexing. If indexing issues arise, check content indexability and resolve duplicate content. Analyzing content quality and testing usability can further improve your site's indexing. Now, let's talk about ranking, where search engines generate search results based on user queries. Ranking happens in milliseconds, with search engines using algorithms to find the most relevant content. It's like a librarian recommending the perfect book based on your needs. Webmasters can optimize for ranking by targeting specific search queries and optimizing for geographic areas. Writing for search intent and reviewing search ranking factors can also boost your content's visibility. Crawling and indexing optimizations are crucial for better ranking, so keep your robots, TXT file, and sitemap in check. Penalties are the search engine's way of maintaining a reputable index by demoting or removing sites that violate policies. Avoid cloaking, hidden text, keyword stuffing, and link spam to prevent penalties. If you face penalties, review the provided documentation to understand and fix the issue. For unconfirmed penalties, evaluate your content for common issues like keyword stuffing or purchased backlinks. In extreme cases, a site can be banned from a search engine's index, which is often irreversible. Stay ahead in the SEO game by optimizing your site for crawling, indexing, and ranking. Keep exploring and improving.